Oh, g'day mate. I'm just doing this VJ board at the moment. I'm just daubing my stud glue on. Giving it a few daubs. I've put it up dry to see if it fits, and it fits well. Where I've got those nails there, it's my studs, so we're all set to go. I should be using my rubber hammer though, instead of bashing my hand to bits. Where is it? Knock it along a bit. Right, a nail or two to hold it. Ooh. I thought I'd missed the stud. But I didn't, so that's cool. Better put one just up there, I think. Cool. I like it. I'll put one in there. Yep. Missed. Nice. Oh, I like it. Okay, I'll measure that piece. Measure that one twice, so I don't stuff it up, and we'll be home and hose. I'll put these couple of big ones in. Yeah, cool. Okay, see you soon. Bye.